What's up, guys? My name is Omkar Supare and I'm a fitness instructor. Usually, I don't do these kind of videos which are more technological and technical based, and I don't like to get into the specs of it. But अगर मैं इनके बारे में ऑनलाइन सर्च कर रहा हूँ, रिव्यूज़ कर रहा हूँ बिफोर परचेसिंग, सो मुझे लगा कोई और भी रहेगा जो फिटनेस रिलेटेड थिंग्स के लिए, फिटनेस रिलेटेड गैजेट्स के लिए इंटरेस्टेड रहेगा. एंड आई थॉट इसलिए मैं ये प्लेलिस्ट बनाऊँ वीडियोस की जिसमें सारे टेक्नोलॉजिकल और फिटनेस रिलेटेड गैजेट्स में इंट्रोड्यूस करूँ, विच विल बी बेसिक अनबॉक्सिंग एंड रिव्यूज़. सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर अड्यू, लेट्स गेट इनटू टुडेज अनबॉक्सिंग. सो आज हम लोग अनबॉक्स करने वाले हैं एयरबेस प्रो पॉड्स फ्रॉम बोल्ट ऑडियो. So it comes in this small packaging. Basically I ordered it from Amazon, जिसका परसों तक रेट था 2500. आज मैंने चेक किया it was 2000. So if you're really interested in buying it, link below and make sure you make the purchase while the discount lasts. Basically it's a small box जिसके पीछे there's few information. It's 24 hours play time. टेक्निकली 24 आवर्स मतलब 5.5 आवर्स प्ले टाइम इन सिंगल चार्ज, एंड द रेस्ट 24 आवर्स जो बता रहे हैं यहाँ पे इज़ विद द मल्टीपल चार्जेस दैट व्हेन यू रिचार्ज फॉर द एयरपॉड्स इन द बॉक्स, उसके बाद इट बिकम्स 24 आवर्स. वेकअप एंड पेयर इज़ बेसिकली आप द बॉक्स को जब भी खोलते हो उसके बाद वंस यू रिमूव द एयरपॉड्स, they are automatically connected via Bluetooth to your phone. Google Voice command जिसका कोई ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं करता, but it's always helpful. Noise cancellation. So noise cancellation का फंडा ऐसा है कि according to me at least, कि जब आप अपने घर के विंडो पे खड़े हो और नीचे से कोई बुलेट जा रही है, if you can't hear that, that's noise cancellation for me. Call and music control. इट्स अ वन टच कॉल एंड म्यूज़िक कंट्रोल. ब्लूटूथ 5.0 से कनेक्टिविटी मिलती है. बोथ एयरपॉड्स अलग अलग कंट्रोल कर सकते हो. इट्स मोनोपॉड की तरह यूज़ कर सकते हो आप विद सिंगल ईयर पीस विद यू, एंड स्टीरियो कॉलिंग एंड माइक. सो राइट, ओके, सो लेट्स अनबॉक्स इट. मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट टूल. Accessory, basically extra AirPods and this is the box. This is the charger itself, and that's it. Working. So let's get this aside. आपको इस चीज़ को समझने के लिए ज़्यादा मेहनत की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. एक्सेसरीज में आपको मिलते हैं, जस्ट फिगर इट आउट हाउ टू ओपन इट. सो एक्सेसरीज में है आपके पास USB केबल टू चार्ज योर बॉक्स एंड एन एक्स्ट्रा, आई थिंक यू हैव 2 pairs of extra earbuds for additional attachments. इसको साइड में रख दिया, and now we open up the box. So इसका build quality is kind of okayish. plastic type build body है बाहर से, and we have the earpods inside, which are actually quite good. So it's out of the box. और इसकी कनेक्टिविटी के लिए just take out the earbuds. Okay, quite snug fit for your ears. Okay, this is good. And let's see Bluetooth connection. Spare new device. And easily you can pair with them. they are available, right? You don't have to press anything. I think we are there. Nice. Okay. So to test them out, we always have Rock's playlist in the back pocket. Let's go there. Coming undone. Let's go. Full volume पे I think these are good. The bass effect, quite nice cancelling effect is there when you go at it at the full volume, and a quite good bass effect. Okay, so all in all, good effects bass wise, and that is what is important for me when I'm working out, because अगर मैं workout कर रहा हूँ और सिर्फ background में music चल रही है, doesn't give me the pump or doesn't give me the motivation to pump iron that much harder. So yeah, in and on good. The only thing that I am always concerned about is the fit, which is quite good. एक भी गिरा नहीं है, and I was going pretty hard at it. So maybe after the run test I can give you a good review about it. But in and all, अभी फ़िलहाल के लिए the fit is really snug. कोई गिरने के chances नहीं लग रहे हैं. And you can wear this comfortably for hours and hours. They lock in your ear and वो ज़्यादा discomfort create नहीं करते like the other normal AirPods. So yes, in and all, a good product. Okay. Connectivity तो issue कोई है नहीं. Let's go over the basic control of this. Listening and so you have double click. आप double click कर सकते हो to play and pause the music which you're listening. Single click is for answering and ending up the calls. So calls को उठाने के लिए single click करने की ज़रूरत है. Long press for 2 seconds to reject the call. अगर call आ रहा है and you want to reject it, not to end the call. So it's a difference. And single long press for 3 seconds to activate your Google Assistants. So long press 3 seconds. Both of them work beautifully. I was trying it on. Let's try it again. So double tap turns on my audiobook. Works beautifully with any kind of player you're working with. Pause and activating the Google Assistants. Turn on bedroom light. Works beautifully. Nice. So सारे controls काम कर रहे हैं properly. Type C connection for charging up the case. Standby 60 hours का है. Working time like I said 5.5, but it says 4 hours. So in and out I can get at least 4 workouts in this one single charge. Walking distance between the Bluetooth device and the AirPods is 10 meters. Works on Android and iOS, so that is a good thing. So to charge it all completely, I think 1.5 hour is good enough to charge this, including the earbuds in the box. So that's pretty standard for all the AirPods and all the Bluetooth AirPods nowadays. So that is a good thing. And बाकी आपके initial and basic instructions आपको मिल जाएंगे. So that's it for the shortest unboxing and review video. Let me know if you have any questions and if you thought this video was helpful for you. And I'll see you with many more other videos like this. Thank you so much. Like and subscribe. Do comment because I'll be replying to them.